As you can see, this is ASUS ZenBook 14, and accidentally the right hinge is broken. So hinge problem for laptop nowadays is quite common. It does happen especially from accidental damage, sometimes from the manufacturer fault like HP Envy X360 model. Okay, so to do that, first, what do you think to replace it, right? But replacement, it's very expensive. It depends on the model. Sometimes the hinge base, which is top lid, is broken, so you need to replace the top lid as well, sometimes even the screen. So it's always best option if you can repair it rather than replacing it. So what we done for this one, as you can see, we taken out the back plate, we're removing the battery, and then from the motherboard panel to the screen panel, we're going to separate it. We're going to work into the screen panel. We'll try our best not to damage anything, because when something is broken, if you handle it, the damage could get expanded and even cause more damage. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm carefully removing the LCD connector, then Wi-Fi cable connector, sometimes webcam cable connector also, and then we need to remove carefully all the screws from the hinges and then separate the panel, so it would be easier to do that. Now, this is some sort of idea that you can apply, but that might not suitable for all hinge repair for all models. Why? Because first of all, it depends on the damage, like how badly it injured, how badly it's broken, and which other component or parts are affected due to this hinge problem. Okay, for example, this model, which is ASUS ZenBook 14, that is touch-enabled screen, and touch-enabled screens are more sensitive than normal screens, so I have to be careful when I handle it. But the damage is not too big, and what I believe, if I use strong adhesive underneath this hinge base and leave it for a few hours, that should dry off and make the actual bond really strong. Okay, and on the other hand, if the screw holes are damaged, okay, the screw base are damaged, then also we can apply the same strategy. Okay, but this case, what I found, the actual hinge came off from the top lid, means underneath the hinge I need to apply some strong adhesive, leave it for a few hours. So let's get into it and check. So please let me know if you do have the same model or if you do have the different model and how it goes, your repair. Let me know in the comment section, so that might help others to get some sort of idea and apply it for their own repair. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Alright, so 5 hours gone, and now I can see this is quite stable, as you can see here. Okay, there is nothing wrong. Now we're gonna assemble it, and I hope everything should be fine. Okay, and once I assemble it, I'm gonna take out this tape. We don't need it anymore. It's quite stable, I believe. Now let's put it back together. Right, so finally we reassemble it and everything looks into the place. We're going to open it and I can see this is much more stiff and quite stable. There is no issue. So hopefully the screen's still intact, still does work. Let me check. So when you disconnect the battery and try to power up any laptop, bear that, it takes time. Sometimes even couple of minutes, even if it's HP. Why? Because the BIOS already get reloaded from the beginning, and that's what makes things very slow. But that should be fine. So don't press a couple of times the power button, otherwise instead of turning on, it's going to switch off and you're going to get worried. Okay, so as you can see, the laptop is working fine and there is no gap or anything. It's not flimsy, it's absolutely fine. And we did save a lot of money on this, because if you want to order the Hinge, then top lead, that would cost you a couple of £100, there is no doubt. So if you do like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.